Welcome back, guys. This is the final one, switch 12 out of 12. Can I repair this one and make it 10 out of 12 repaired? Let's see. I already have plugged it in, so obviously it's blue screen. So let's take off the CPU and see how much damage is underneath there and see if it's repairable. Slight liquid damage, bits of broken shell everywhere. Although there is a bit of liquid damage down there, yeah. Well, at least we know the main issue is blue screen, so we'll concentrate on that first. Come back to you once the board's been taken out. Airflow 8 out of 8, 440 degrees. Let's get this chip off. Right, it's ready to come off. Give it a couple more seconds. Here we go. Alright, let's look under the microscope and see what's going on, because I can't see from here. From what I can see, I think we're good. I don't see any torn pads. Actually, what's that at the top there? Look, what's that? That's very random. Oh, just a reflection. Yeah, I think we're good now. Brilliant. So this is repairable. Let's get more flux on it. And let's wick it away. No, there is another damaged pad down there. It's that same one as before. That's probably my fault, went a bit rough. Damn it. Alright, gonna have to fix that trace quick, unless that was on its way up anyway, that's what was causing it. And perfect. Another repaired trace that I potentially would have damaged. And as you can see, that's going to be solid. Beautiful. Let's get on with the APU CPU reballing process. Ah, I forgot to add leaded solder onto the blimmin' motherboard, didn't I? That's why I probably took up a pad. Damn it. And now I've got the wrong tip on again. Yeah, look, it's... Right, needs extra heat. Actually, before we do that, we'll just do it the old way that I do it, see if it powers up. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 16, that's good. 15, 28, 29. Oh, powers off. And no. Oh, yep, there you go. Rebooted. There you go. Brilliant, I think. Yeah. Confirm that one more time. Although it's not necessary. Is it going to reboot? Yep. Okay, it's working. There you go. That restarted much quicker that time. Alright, I'll give it the board a quick clean because it's got slight water damage up here, the most smallest amount. That's all I can see though. Oh, and a bit at the back, it's like gooey stuff. So give that a quick clean. That's all done. Now let's test it in the chassis. I'm sure it will be absolutely fine. Right, this battery might be dead, so let's plug it in and then wait for it to charge up. See if we get the battery icon at least. We should do. We saw a boot sequence, so here we go. 13. Ah, yeah, there you go, battery icon. Brilliant, so again, that's a successful switch. I'll wait for it to fully boot up, but that is 10 out of 12 switches repaired. That is nuts. Pretty proud of myself, to be honest. So yeah, I'll be back once this is powered on. We are all powered up, it's on 1%. Okay, let's turn the brightness up. Beautiful. Touchscreen works. All but, yep, that's working, that's working. See if it connects to the Wi-Fi. Is there any error codes? No error codes, awesome. It's found my network, so Wi-Fi is working. Great. See what firmware it's on. 18th, again, the latest firmware. So yeah, consider this one fixed. Check the game card quick. Is it recognized game? Yep, game gets recognized. So yeah, another console done. Look at that. How many blue screen consoles were there? Jeez, I'll have to count. But yep, I will calculate how much I could get roughly for this console. I mean, for all the consoles together. So that's 10 out of 12 fixes switched. Oh my God, I can't even speak. That's 10 out of 12 switches fixed. So yeah, if you like this type of video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. That will really mean a lot to me. I'm just starting out this channel properly, so let me know if you want me to do more repairs on switches or any other consoles, and upload them all. So thanks for watching again, guys, and see you soon.